Hello, welcome students. You are watching a mathematics class on exercise linear equation in one variable on a word problems. Okay, so I have written two questions on a whiteboard. So what is written here? Let's see. So question number 8. This is the exercise 15.4. Okay, 15.4 word problem. Okay. So here question number 8. The digit is at the tens place of a two-digit number is three times the digit at the unit place. If the digits are reversed, the new number will be 36 less than the original number. Okay. So now, solution, let tens digit be x, unit digit be y. Okay. Then in number b 10x plus y, because x is at the tens place, so therefore number will be what, 10x plus y. When you reverse this number, then this will be 10y plus x. Okay, so now listen what is given in the question. The digit at the tens place. Okay, so this means that according to question, the digit at the tens place of a two-digit number is three times the unit at the three times the digit at the unit place. This means that digit at tens place equal to 3 times what, unit place. Okay, now so let's assume that the unit place will what, y, and digit at 10 place will what is x. Okay, so x equal to what is this, equal to 3y. This means that wherever the x is will be there, you have to put the value of x equal to how much, 3y. Okay, then you have to solve it. Clear? So now again, if digits are reversed, the new number will be 36 less than the original number. Means new number is greater than original number by 36. Okay, so 36 less than original number. Sorry, so original number will be greater than reversing number. Okay, by 36. Okay, so original number means 10x plus y minus reversing number means 10y plus f equal to 36. So now by solving, now taking as 9, taking 9 as common on the both sides, then you get x minus y equal to 4. Okay, now putting the value of f, I mean from equation 1. This is the equation 1. Okay, so we have to put the value of x. Clear? Then we get 2y equal to 4. We get the value of y. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we get uh, x equal to 3y. X equal to 3 into y means 6. This means that your number will be what, 10 into 6 plus 2. This means you get 62 as answer. Okay. Next question number 12. Aishwarya is twice as old as Karishma. If 6 years is subtracted from Karishma age and 4 years are added to the Aishwarya age, then Aishwarya age will be 4 times the Karishma age. So how old were they 2 years ago? You have to find out the years on 2 years ago. Okay, so now solution. Let present age of Aishwarya and B, X and Y respectively. Okay, respectively. Now, according to question, Aishwarya is twice as old as Karishma. Aishwarya means X. Okay, so X is 2Y. Clear? So this is the equation number 1. Again, it is subtracted from Karishma age. Age, okay, 6 years. Clear? Subtracted means Karishma age means Y. So Y minus 6. And Aishwarya 4. Then Aishwarya age will be 4 times the Karishma age, means age will be 4 times, okay, so Aishwarya age means X plus 4, Y minus 6. Now we have to put the value of X, okay. By solving, uh, you get minus 2Y minus 20, okay, Y equal to 10. So Y means you get the age of Karishma. Present age is 10 years, okay. The value of Y in 1 means uh, X equal to 2 into 10 means 20 years. So this is your present age, okay, present age of Karishma and Aishwarya. Now you have to find out their age 2 years ago, okay. So now find their age 2 years ago, okay. So now Aishwarya age 2 years ago means 20 minus 2 equal to how much? 18 years, okay. And Karishma's age 10 minus what? 2 equal to 8 years. So in we get the value of X and Y. I mean we find the age of Aishwarya and Karishma 2 years ago. Okay, so I hope so you will understand very clearly, and you have to do it at home. I hope you we will meet you in the next class. Okay, again, bye bye.